In this video, we are going to learn len function. It is very simple function. If we want to count how many characters are there in particular cell, then this len function is useful. Suppose we want to count character of B3 cell, this one, and that character count of B3 cell we will do in S3 cell. So first we will click to S3 cell, then click to formula tab over here, and in that click to text icon, this one, and in that click to len. The moment we click to len, new window has appeared. It is called function argument. And in that only one argument is there, and that is text. It says from where we have to pick the character. So according to this case, we want to count the character of B3 cell. So we will click to B3 cell, this one, and then click OK. The moment we click OK, it shows 22 character. Remember that while counting character through len function, it counts space also. Like this, we can count character of any cell. If we want it in all cell of the table, then just drag it down like this. Do some practice of this len function, and I will see you in next video.